The first modification we did was alloy wheels. We brought original from showroom. The cost for 4 alloys was 38,000 plus 1,750 for fitment charges. So altogether 39,750. These are the screws fixed for alloy wheels. Next modification we did was tri-arrow design in front grille. For this we purchased the grill of full option model from the showroom for rupees 6,800 and we painted it for 1,000 rupees. Next modification we done was smoking done for the front indicator. We gave almost same piano black finish for the indicators and it is working well. The cost is just rupees 200. Next modification is we gave piano black finish for side mirror. Cost is rupees 500 per piece. This is the final look of front grille and front side painting and smoking. And here we are giving a comparison between full option and the modified base model. We gave silver finish here and here also we gave the same silver finish. For silencer we gave black finish with an additional cover and you can see it here. The cost is just rupees 500 including painting charges. Next is we fixed fin antenna. The cost is rupees 600. Roof rail we fixed for rupees 2,900. Next is Android set. Android set we fixed with a brand name called G99 for rupees 13,500. We fixed an amplifier behind the Android system for rupees 3,500. It is giving excellent sound quality. So total cost for the sound system including amplifier came to 17,500. The speaker we fixed was Rockford 6.5-inch coaxial speaker, which is a 3-way speaker, 160 watt peak power. We fixed power window in the back side. The company name is RD and the cost was rupees 5,900. And you can see the switch here for the power window. Next is seat cover. The cost of the seat cover is rupees 6,000. We gave a soft leather material called Toto leather, which is very soft and comfortable to use. For the handrest, we gave the same leather finish which we gave for the seat cover. And the total cost of the handrest is rupees 1,350. Next we gave the mood light for rupees 400. When we open the door, it will automatically switch on. Charger socket cost is rupees 300. We laid 7D mats and the cost of the 7D mat is 4500. It is very comfortable to install and use, and also for cleaning is very easy. Next we gave the sill plate to avoid scratches. The cost is rupees 600. We fixed RD central lock system. The cost is rupees 3800. This is a dynamic camera, which means it will help us very well when we are taking reverse. And you can see it here. I just want to mention the benefit of modifying XE with the other models, especially XM. The reverse sensor tone will work even after fixing the Android set, but in the other models it will not work. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.